Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and today another unboxing. It's not a tutorial because I've never done this. This is my first time. So before I continue this video, I want to thank you all guys who subscribe to my channel and keep on supporting me. Thank you so much. So today I want to share with you guys this little kit. So this is a diamond painting. I don't know if you heard about it. This is my first time doing this, so it's kind of interesting. So if you are a craft lover, or you like painting, or if you want to start a new hobby, why don't you try diamond painting? So without any further ado, let's open this. Alright, so now here you go guys. I'm going to open this and see what is inside of this plastic bag. Alright, so as you see, here is the item, and this is the number, the diamond painting. The item is the number is this here, and the size is 30 to 40 centimeters. So as you see here guys, right? Okay, so it's not really big. So let's open this one and see the design. Alright, oh now, wow. So here is the design. If you see guys, I got these two little lovebirds. They're lovebirds. There you go. Yeah, how cute it is. Isn't it cute guys? Look at that. And it's not a really big project. It's just 30 to 40 centimeter. And here, as you see here, here are the numbers of the diamond. So it's I don't know if you can see it near. Oh, I don't know if you can see. You see there are numbers here. So that is where you're going to put your the number and the color of the diamonds. So here are the diamonds that is included into this project. There you go. So let's open this one. Tray where you put your diamonds here, and here is what do you call this, kind of jelly where you put your this one to stick the diamonds. You have to do like this one first before you get the diamond, and then stick into this color of your images. And then here are some extra plastics, because what you're gonna do is we're going to to get all of these diamonds into the plastic with their own see, you see that they have their own numbers. You can see it's too bright. You see there are numbers here for each of the colors, so that you can what number is it, because it's all written here on the side. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to open this and see. There are so many colors of this diamond, and wow, look at that. Wow, look. The purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have two. This is the same. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, okay. I have 23 colors. So all the colors that you're gonna use here, they're gonna give you a 23 colors of this diamond. So before I start doing my diamond painting, I need to get ready get ready of all of this. I need to put each diamond into this plastic, so that it's easy for me to to know what number and what diamond that I'm going to stick into these images. Alright, so let's start doing this. So I'm going to start putting each of this, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how others doing this, but if you saw my video, this is my first time, and let me know down the comment what is the best thing to get ready or to prepare before you start, you know, painting on this. Oh, I see something is in here in the diamond, something. See that? It's so tiny. I don't know if you can just see on the video. It looks like a big diamond, but it's not. It's very tiny little diamonds here. You see that? All right. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to put each of these into this plastic bag and put the number. I'm gonna write it here. So I don't have any case yet, you know. I saw some of the, you know, people doing this on YouTube. They have a case and they have a small container where they put this one, but this time I just gonna use this one, and you know, I might get some of the containers on a dollar shop or somewhere, so I can put all of this into a case and you know, small containers. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so now before we start putting all of these diamonds into each plastic bag, we need to check out each numbers if they are on the correct, you know, no diamonds color are missing. You know, we have to check it first before we take this out into this plastic. So like for example, 1 is purple, so here it is. 2, same color, and 3 is, see, okay. Alright, so now I write number 1 here, I write number 2 here, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna get this one because it says number 1. So let's clear this up and see. Okay, I think I need a scissor for this. Okay, let's get a scissor and cut this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one here, and I want to put it inside of this number 1 plastic. Okay, so now it's, wow, it's so tiny. You see, I cut all of this. You see those diamonds? Are they sparkling? They're so tiny. And this plastic is so small, so I hope it won't fall. So I just put it all over here. Alright, so now I'm going to start my first diamond that I'm going to put into this canvas. Okay, get your tray and put this diamond inside of the tray. Since I don't have a container yet, so I'm just gonna use this. Just get a little bit of cut because I don't want to spill all of my diamonds here on my desk. So let's just try some of here, and what I see on YouTube is just they kind of shake it. Okay, maybe that is fine. Keep this one somewhere here. Okay, and then once you got this, they say you got to shake it. Okay, so as you see, the diamond is lining up over there. So that's the diamond that we're going to take to stick on into our canva. So, and then I'm going to start filling up some of the letter N here. As you see, here is the pen tool that I'm gonna use. So as you see, we have a kind of gel here, what they call wax. So what you're gonna do here is peel this up, and then I'll just put it here, somewhere here, so I can just stick my, every time I need my my pen tool to stick on this. So what they said, what I saw on YouTube, is just to stick this one over here, as you see, like that, and you will see when you take it off, you'll see there is a wax on top of this. You see that? Alright, so I'm just gonna put this one over here, and then I'm gonna start to put some diamonds on top of the letter N. So here is my tray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, okay, let's move here a little bit so you can see. Okay, take one diamond. Oh, this is my first time. Take this one. As you see, it's on here, and then we're going to stick onto the first letter N. Wow. There you go. So now I'm almost, I don't know how many days it takes for me to finish this one, and I'm so excited to see how it looks like after I've done all of this. And you see, okay, I'll show you guys. You see, you don't see more letter N around this corner because I've already put, and what you see is the letter A, right? And from here, the color is going to be changed. For now, I'm just keep on working on NA until I finish this one, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys when I start my diamond painting on top of these two lovebirds. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll be back.